Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2019 Land Rover Range Rover maintenance light reset. Um, now, go ahead and turn on your car without starting. If you have the push button, go ahead and click it once. Okay, as you can see, everything is on. Now, as you can see, the warning right there, it says, give me a second. It says the driver door and the hood is open. Okay, and you should have it open doing this reset. So make sure you open your hood and your driver door. Now go ahead and press your brake and gas at the same time and give it about a few seconds, and there it is, guys. As simple as that. Guys, make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.